there, and welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series. Today, Ellie is going to show us how to draw a nose. Noses come in all shapes and sizes, so don't be afraid to get creative. We'll be starting off by using a pencil to draw some basic shapes, before using a pen to create the final lines. So, make sure you have everything you need, and let's get going! Ready, steady, draw! Ellie gets started by drawing a large circle on the page. Then, she marks two smaller circles at either side, intersecting with the larger circle. Got it? Great! Now draw two straight, vertical lines reaching down to touch the biggest circle. That's our front-facing nose sketch complete. Fantastic work! Now we're going to draw a nose from the side profile. Again, draw a big circle, just like you did before. But wait! This time, we only draw one smaller circle intersecting into the big one. This is because this nose is being drawn from the side, so we can only see one nostril. Finally, draw a straight line coming down to touch the big circle. This will be the bridge of the nose. Brilliant! Before we start our final drawing, it's time for a nosy Did You Know? Did you know humans have 12 million smell receptor, olfactory cells? Bloodhounds have 4 billion of these, which is what makes them so great at tracking down scents. Also, why don't you hit that subscribe button? And don't forget to press the bell button so you're the first to know when we next upload. It's time to pick up your pen and add some detail. Starting just below the middle of your smaller circle to the right, follow your original outline down slightly below your middle circle and then bring it along and back up, just as Ellie has done. This will help us draw our nostrils. Following the outer sketch of your smaller circles again, bring two curved lines down to create the outline of the nose. Then, to finalize the nostril shape, do your best to follow Ellie and mark down two smaller loops coming from either side of your original curve. Fantastic work! To draw the bridge of your nose, we bring a line down towards the nostril. Remember, noses are all different shapes and sizes, so it's okay to make this a bit bumpy. On the other side, we're going to mark down 4 small lines, just like Ellie is doing, to give a bit of a 3D shape to the nose. To make your nose a bit more 3D again, we draw a small curve along the bottom part of the outline of your middle circle. Now we're going to move on to our side angle nose. Beginning at the larger circle, follow your outline round to create the tip of the nose. Then, continue the line down, slightly past your smaller circle. At the point where both of your circles interconnect, copy Ellie and draw in a hook-type shape. This will be the nostril. Then, to finish it off, draw a line halfway around your small circle sketch and add another curve inwards, just below the tip of the nose, just like Ellie does here. Nearly there! Now we have to mark the bridge of the nose by following your original sketch down. Finally, we add some depth by marking down a few small lines, just like Ellie is doing now. Excellent work! Now that you've mastered the basic shapes, why not try out some different nose shapes of your own? Or have a go at drawing your own nose. Pay attention to the little bumps and shapes that make your nose unique. If you enjoyed this How to Draw session, make sure you subscribe to our channel and be the first to know when we share new videos.